Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Nissan Sentra headlight. First, prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle is off and the engine is cool. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical issues. You'll need basic tools such as a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and a flathead screwdriver. Having these ready will make the process much smoother and safer for you. Now, let's gain access to the headlight. You'll typically need to remove several clips and screws from the front bumper area. This allows you to gently pull back the fender liner, revealing the headlight assembly. Depending on your specific Nissan Sentra model, you might also need to temporarily remove components like the battery or air intake for easier access to the bulb housing. With access clear, it's time to replace the bulb. Gently twist the old bulb's connector counterclockwise to release it from the headlight housing. Then, carefully unplug the electrical connector. When installing the new bulb, handle it by its base and avoid touching the glass, as oils from your skin can reduce its lifespan. Reconnect the electrical plug and twist the new bulb clockwise into place. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Carefully put back all the components you removed, ensuring every screw and clip is securely fastened. Once everything is in place, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working properly. If needed, you can adjust the headlight aim according to your vehicle's specifications for optimal visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.